Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making black sesame Rice Krispies treats. Let me say that again. Black sesame seeds Rice Krispies treats. That's right. Not only do we have a lot of Rice Krispies and marshmallows to add in, but we're going to toast some sesame seeds. Why, you say? I thought the same thing, but I'm thinking this recipe got a lot of great reviews, so we should try it and figure out if it is that perfect balance between sweet and savory, which maybe it's like the thing that we've all been missing in our lives all this time. I don't know. We're going to find out. Of course, I was inspired by this song. How sweet it is to eat Rice Krispies treats with black sesame. That song part doesn't work out so well, but maybe the recipe will. Let's find out. First things first, get your pan ready to go, and you're going to grease it with sesame oil. Set over medium heat, butter. Wait till it's melted. We're looking for the butter to start to brown a little bit. We want it to be nice and toasty. Right when you start to see those brown bits at the bottom, it is ready to go. Reduce your heat to low. Add your sesame seeds. We're going to get these nice and toasty for about a minute or two. Once your seeds smell toasty, go ahead and add your marshmallows in. Stir until melted, about 5 minutes. Add your salt, stir in, turn off the heat, add your sesame oil, stir that in, add your Rice Krispies, stir to combine, add to your pan, pat it down as evenly as possible in your pan. Let rest for about 10 minutes until it cools down a little bit, and then we're going to turn it out and slice it. When it's cool, go ahead and take it out. Look at that. You can go ahead and cut it into your slices. All right, let's take a look at this black sesame Rice Krispies treat. Those black sesames are there. And it does not smell like an ordinary Rice Krispies treat because I smell that sesame oil and those toasted sesame seeds coming through loudly. So it's all in the taste. So let's see what we think of these, or really just me, since I'm the only one tasting it right now. Let's dig in. The only way for me to describe this is interesting, because it is not the Rice Krispies treat that you grew up with making on the stove. This has an adult flavor to it because of the sesame seeds and the sesame oil. It's almost like something you would really like if you weren't thinking of a Rice Krispies treat, if that makes any sense at all. It has the texture of the Rice Krispies treat, which is really nice, the chewiness with the marshmallows and the Rice Krispies, crunchiness of the Rice Krispies. But again, it's got this other flavor profile, which is like an adult version of Rice Krispies treat. Heck, if they can have adult versions of floats and milkshakes, why not Rice Krispies treats? If I can make these black sesame Rice Krispies treats for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen any products I've used, feel free to check out my Amazon storefront in my bio, as well as check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more. Like, seriously, a whole lot more.